Hey, hi everyone. So this video we are going to talk about one of the new release that AWS has made. This is about storage class. You see, there is one new storage class that is AWS S3 Express 1 Zone High Performance Storage class that is available. It is available since 28th of November when this blog was published. This video I'm going to read out this blog and see the important points and why it is going to make more impact than the existing classes that it has. So let's go and read with me. So this article, this blog link is in the description box itself. You can go ahead and read that out yourself. But if you want to listen and walk through with me, stay tuned. So we are going to do that one. So this S3 one zone storage class is designed to deliver up to 10x better performance than the S3 standard storage class while handling hundreds of thousands of requests per second with consistent single digit millisecond latency. This is important, making it a great fit for your most frequently accessed data and your most demanding application. Objects are stored and replicated on purpose built hardware within a single AWS availability zone, allowing you to co-locate storage and compute like AWS EC2, ECS, and EKS resources to further reduce latency. So this is the video also that you can that anyway you can watch it and see the highlights here. So with very low latency between compute and storage, the AWS S3 Express 1 Zone storage class can help to deliver a significant reduction in runtime for data intensive application, especially those that use hundreds or thousands of parallel compute nodes to process large amounts of data for AI ML training, financial modeling, media processing, real time ad placement, high performance computing, and so forth. These applications typically keep the data around for a relatively short period of time but access it very frequently during that time. This new storage class can handle objects of any size, but it is especially awesome for smaller objects. This is because for smaller objects the time to first byte is very close to the time for the last byte. In all storage system, large objects take longer to stream because there is more data to download during the transfer. And therefore the storage latency has less impact on the total time to read the object. As a result, a smaller object receive an outsized benefit from lower storage latency compared to large objects. Because of S3 Express 1 zone's consistent very low latency, small objects can read up to 10x faster compared to S3 standard. The extremely low latency provided by AWS S3 Express 1 Zone combined with reduced cost that are 50% lower than for the S3 standard storage class means that your spot and on-demand compute resources are used more efficiently and can be shut down earlier, leading to an overall reduction in processing cost. Each AWS S3 Express zone in directory bucket exists in a single availability zone that you choose and can be accessed using the usual S3 API functions like create bucket, put object, get object, list object. So whatever operations that you do with the existing S3 storage classes, you can do all that with the existing ones. And in order to reduce latency and to make this storage class as efficient and scalable as possible, we are introducing a new bucket type, new authentication model, and a bucket naming convention. So new bucket type is going to be there, new authentication model is going to be there, new convention for bucket naming is going to be there. So this further there is an example that how you can create it, how you can list it. So these are the, if you have installed you want to create it from the AWS CLI, you have to update the CLI and you can execute this command. So it is going to work that out. So this is the example here. Further, these are the screenshots of that S3 bucket that are there. So the uh, the in the existing bucket, if you want to export the data from the already existing one, that can also be done. So all the options are on the screen. If you go ahead and check out, you can go ahead and on screen you can check that out. So moving ahead, what are the important things that we should know here? So reason AWS S3 Express Zone is available in US East, US West, Asia Pacific, and Europe, with plans to expand to others over time. So it is only in limited regions. Other AWS services, you can use AWS S3 Express One Zone with other AWS services, including AWS SageMaker, Model Training, AWS Athena, Amazon AMR, and AWS Glue Data Catalog to accelerate your machine learning and analytics workload. You can also use mounting point for AWS S3 to process your S3 objects in file oriented fashion. Talk about the pricing, we are going to see that with the existing one that are there, so we'll see in a while. Durability: in the unlikely case of loss or damage to all part of AWS availability zone, data in a one zone storage class may be lost. For example, events like fire and water damage could result in a data loss. Apart from these types of event, our one zone storage class use similar engineering designs as our regional storage class to protect objects from independent disk, host, and rack level failures, and each are designed to deliver this much of data durability. SLA: AWS S3 Express One Zone is designed to deliver 99.95% availability with availability SLA of 99.9%. For information, see the SLA agreement for this page. So important thing is the pricing part. Let's see this one. If I show you this S3 standard S3 standard storage class, pricing is first 50 terabyte per month. This is what the storage pricing is there. So what is the pricing of this Express One Zone? You see, high performance storage for your most frequently accessed data. So all storage per month, it comes $0.16 per GB. This is how it is coming up. Okay. So if you see different storage classes are there: intelligent tiering, glacier instant retrieval, more storage classes. So uh let's see this official page, like that was the news, the blog that was written. So this is the official page of the S3 Express One Zone that we can get started with. So the same thing are written here as well. So accelerate performance applications, lower total cost of ownership, scale simply without provisioning. How it works, this is the architecture diagram of this one, that how it is working. Use cases: machine learning and artificial intelligence training, interactive data analytics, high performance computing, financial modeling, real time advertising, media content workloads. So yeah, these are the customers. So yeah, try it, see if this is the you have the use case that you need least latency with the S3. So this is the storage class that you should go ahead. That's it about this video. I hope you found this useful. I'll see you in the some other videos with some other topic. Till then, take care. Bye bye.